Alright, let's dive into paragraph organization. Now, when we talk about organizing paragraphs, we're essentially talking about how we arrange our ideas in writing. Organizing a paragraph effectively is what makes the content clear and easy to follow for your reader. There are several different patterns of organization, and each one serves a specific purpose, depending on what you're trying to achieve.
Problem solution is a common organizational pattern, especially in persuasive writing. Here, you first outline a problem and then propose a solution. For example, you might discuss the issue of classes being canceled due to bad weather, which causes students to fall behind. Then, you'd introduce online learning as a potential solution to keep the students on track. This approach works well when you're trying to convince This paragraph illustrates the problem-solution pattern of organization by presenting a challenge, canceled classes due to weather, and proposing a solution, online learning platforms. Topic sentence. The paragraph introduces the overall problem, canceling classes due to weather conditions. This sets up the discussion of specific issues and potential solutions. Problems. The paragraph identifies two key issues that arise from weather-related cancellations. Students falling behind. When classes are canceled, students are unable to stay on track with their studies, which forces them to rush through the curriculum when they return. Teachers struggle. Teachers are faced with the challenge of covering all necessary material in a shorter time frame, which can affect the quality of instruction. Solution. To address these issues, the paragraph offers a clear solution. Online learning platforms. By using virtual lessons during canceled class days, students can continue their learning remotely, avoiding the disruption to their education. This keeps them engaged and on track with the curriculum. Effect of the solution. The paragraph concludes by emphasizing the positive outcome of the solution. With online learning, the academic year can proceed smoothly, even if there are weather interruptions, helping both students and teachers manage the workload. This problem-solution paragraph effectively identifies the issue, lost class time, and presents a practical, modern solution, online learning, showing how it can alleviate the challenges for both students and teachers.